Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain methods. A group of statements into a single logical unit is called as method. Statements, if we group together as a one unit, that unit is called method. Methods are used to perform the task. Methods are used to perform the task. Task code must be written in method only. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. For example, printing welcome message is one task. Calculating bonus salary is one task. Or calculating total marks is one task. Accepting employees information is one task. Displaying employees information on monitor is a task. This type of task code must be written in method only. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. If you want to write the task code, compulsory you need methods in Java language. In Java, methods are divided into 4 categories. First category, methods with arguments and with return value. Second category, methods with arguments and without return value. Third category, methods without arguments and with return value. Fourth category, methods without arguments and without return value. 4 categories of methods: with arguments and with return value, with arguments and without return value, without arguments and with return value, without arguments and without return value. Now, first category, methods with arguments and with return value. This is I am going to explain. See in the program. Suppose finding maximum of two numbers is a task. I am going to write in method. Suppose method name max, which takes two integers, which returns one integer. Here task code. If a greater than b, return a, else return b. Now here max is a method which takes two integers and which will find the maximum of these two integers. After that, result return integer format. So max is a method which takes two integers and which returns one integer. It's a method. This method is called instance method. This method is called instance method. A method that is defined as a member of a class is called as an instance method. A method that is defined as a member of a class is known as an instance method. This instance method, if you want to access, there are two ways. First one, by using object Second one by using object reference. Depends upon application requirement, we are going to use either object or object reference. Now, present I am going to show with object reference. See, Max is a method of demo class. So, demo class object I am creating. Demo D equal to new demo. In this line, demo class object created, that object referred by D. With this object reference, I am going to call max method. See, max is a method which takes two integers and which returns one integer. Here return type int is there, we are write integer here. Float is there, float. Char is there, char. See, return type int. X equal to D dot max. Here two integers. Two integers I am passing. 45, some 87. Now, D dot max 45 comma 87. 45 copied in A, 87 copied in B. 45 greater than 87 false, return B. The B value stored in X. That X I am going to print. System dot out dot println X. You observe here, these 45 and 87 copied in A and B. (45) copied in A, then it becomes into A equal to 45 into B equal to 87. Now 45 greater than 87 false, then return B. This B copied in X. Then this statement becomes int X equal to B with arguments with return value. It is with arguments, it is with return value. This is the reason this category is called methods with arguments and with return value. If I compile and run this code, what will be happen? See, first demo class loaded, open brace executed, main method called, open brace executed, here object created to demo class, this object referred by D, with the D max method is called, 45 copied in A, 87 copied in B, 45 greater than 87 false, then return B, the B value copied in X, that X is going to be printed. You will get 87. Say file, save. I'll compile javac demo.java. I'll execute java demo. Say output is 87. In this program, method components also I'll explain. From here to here is called method signature. From here to here it is called method signature. Method name and arguments is called method signature. Return type and method signature is called method declarator. Open brace to close brace is called method body. Open brace to close brace is called method body. Return keyword line, this one and this one. These two are called written statements. Written statements. This totally called method declarator and method body is called method definition. Method definition. Here, this line is called method call statement. This line is called method call statement. The arguments whatever we are passing in a method call statement are called actual arguments. The arguments whatever we passed in the method definition are called formal arguments. Arguments we can call it as parameters also. These are called actual parameters, these are called formal parameters. Say once again, method name and arguments is called method signature. Return type and method signature is called method declarator. Open brace to close brace is called method body. Written keyword statements are called written statements. Method declarator and method body is called method definition. For calling method definition, we are using one statement. This statement is called method call statement. The arguments whatever we are passing in a method call statement are called actual arguments. The arguments whatever we are passing in a method definition are called formal arguments. Arguments we can call it as parameters also. Okay.